Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing my MorpheMe for the month of July. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got this month, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so for those of you who don't know what MorpheMe is, it is a monthly brush subscription. You pay $19.99 a month and you get anywhere from 3 to 8 brushes in your bag, and they usually equal over $30. So let's go ahead and open the bag. And every month you do get a theme. So for this month's theme, it is called Rusting Beach Face. And it looks like we're gonna get 4 brushes this month. Now I do like to keep this with me only because it's very handy. It tells you what the name of each brush does and what it does. Alrighty guys, so the first brush for this month is the M538, and this is the under eye bullet. This is pretty much just an under eye brush. It's going to help set your under eyes. I actually have an older one from an old MorpheMe month, and I absolutely love it. It is probably almost the same shape, maybe just a little bit wider, but it's perfect. So I think this one will work really good for under the eyes. So the next brush this month, this is the M492, and this is a duo foundation brush. So of course they named it a duo because it does have the duo fiber bristles. I think this will work really good for foundation. You can also use it for cream products such as cream blush, cream bronzer, or cream highlight as well, because these duo fiber bristles work really good with cream products. The next brush this month, this is the M579, and this is the Pro Flat Contour Brush. Of course, it is what it says. It's going to be a really good contouring brush to contour your cheekbones, contour your jawline. It will be too wide to do your nose, but you can also do your forehead and stuff like that. Works really well. And the last brush this month, this is the M116 Oval Shadow Brush. This is going to be perfect to go ahead and pack on any eyeshadows you have. Alrighty guys, so these are the 4 brushes we got this month for the month of July. We got some really nice ones. We got 3 face brushes and 1 eye brush, which is pretty unusual because usually we always get a blending brush, but I do like that they did something different this time. So if you guys are interested in joining MorpheMe, I will post a link in the description box below, and you guys can sign up through that link and you will get this month's brushes plus a free brush on me. So as always, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.